Oh, yes? It's amazing. Wow. We made it. It's so sick. Oh yeah.
No, like this.
Wait, where did you go?
Oh, they're bigger than videos. Okay. Woo!
What a man.
Little puppies. It's pretty sick. Hello.
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 Oh, I just want to pick him up.
Oh,
He's so skinny as well.
no. He's a little guy. Probably doesn't even have teeth yet. Oh, we could take him home, I
Can you
reckon.
come with us?
Hello.
Guys, face good. Yeah, no, drink one.
See you, little guy. Bye. Don't follow me. No. Another one. Hey. Oh, a bunch of friends. You come with me, wolf squad? Wolf pack? My little wolf pack. Goodbye, my loves. This place is so sick. Wow. That's crazy, man. What a good hike.
And then I'll buy some.
Raining.
You cut my head off.
I'm sorry, I was trying
He
to...
doesn't do the same for us.
Oh,
We take the best videos of you.
thank you so much.
Why are you running?
This is so nice. This is great.
I just did a really ugly walkway. That's what my walk was.
This is so... We've lost everyone.
I swear they went left.
No, that... Red hot.
Okay,
Okay,
I swear they went left.
let's go find them.
They're all in there.
I'm ready. Let's go. And send it! Send it! See? So our mate Pablo was staying at this hostel before about a month ago, and there's this this community thing. There's this backboard, right, with all like tags, like people's names. So what you do, hola. So what you do is like go down this cool slide, and then you basically like hit a hoop mid-air. And you know, I was destined to hit it as his name was on the board. So you know, I hit it.
Draw my world, you ready?
Draw my world.
Yeah, my world.
Okay, what's your world?
Wow, sis.
Oh my gosh,
No,
thank
you
you so
should do
much.
it on the inside of the hat.
Another boat cruise.
Let's go. Me and Jake in.
You, nice.
Swim up to the boat, then shake your hair.
Oh yeah, no you have to.
Oh, do you want to put in slow motion as well?
Hey, not very smart. We've missed our bus kind of. It's 10:30, our bus leaves from town at 10:30. And I lost my hat. We checked out at Arcadia after 5 nights. We went to be there 3 nights. And yeah, we've well and truly done bad. Anyway, we're on the good foot, enjoying our travels, and see you guys soon. My dad has a bike as well also. I got a henna. Sisters. I got a henna as well, it's pretty sick. But anyway, enjoy the rest of the travels. I reckon I could do medicine. I just put all these compounds together and wraps my little foot up. Literally. Paradise butt. Walking is hard. That's okay.
So this is Jake's foot?
Yeah, put the cut on it. Cut it.
Rodeo.
You can do like the eye roll back.
Hey buddy. It's a 3-legged dog. Poor guy. Poor guy. Oh. You called him Tripod. Our little tripod dog. He's so cute. Hello. So there's been a spontaneous idea by me. We caught 2 boats from Koh Rong or to Koh Rong Sam Loem, and basically the boats went all the way, not in that pier over there, but it's like one way further. I've been walking for 30 minutes across this beach, and our hostel, basically there's a boat that comes at 4 from this beach right where I came from, and I was like, you know what, fuck it, let's challenge myself. Around this headland, all the way around from back where I was before, I'm gonna see if I can just fucking walk it. The boat comes at 4, if I miss that, I'm screwed. So if I end up at the end of this place and decide like I can't walk, like there's no physical entry, then I'm gonna have to come back, and if I miss my boat, it's a risk, but that's a spontaneous decision that we just... My stick broke. Made it to this beautiful path. I'm in some other hostel right now, but hopefully this path just like takes me around, because the headlands don't look pretty convincing. There's jagged rocks everywhere and whatever, let's just have a gaze. Bit of an update. I walked further along here and spoke to a native lady who didn't speak English. I tried to communicate whether I could walk, and she said like, no, you can't walk. Well, that's what I gathered anyway. It's a lady who's over here just back burning. So I was like, all right, I'll go back and ask someone who's like, can speak English a little bit better. So walked back to the hostel back over there, spoke to the receptionist guy, and he's like, yeah, you can walk, but it's far, 40 minutes. A bit rough. So basically, I'm doing it, I'm sending it. If I start this walk, I can't go back because the boat leaves in like 50 minutes. So I'm well and truly done for. We'll see how this goes. Peace out. Hey guys, thanks for watching part 2 of our travels in Southeast Asia. Part 3 will be out very soon. Stay tuned for that one because it's going to be a pretty good video. I got all editing here. But yeah, once again, Bar Ventures merch, please check out the link in the description, barventures.com. And yeah, once again, cheers guys.